In this video, I will show you how to get the viral TikTok voice within ElevenLabs. Now, this is actually very easy and you don't need a paid plan for this. However, if you want to use more high quality voiceovers, I do recommend you to get a paid ElevenLabs plan, but I have a great discount in the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. But right now, I will show you how to get the viral TikTok voice. So the viral TikTok voice is called Adam, and we can use it very easily. So what you need to do is you need to go to ElevenLabs, of course, then go to text to speech, and then here you see all of your voices. So tap on this, and as you can see, Adam is automatically added. So just go to Adam, and as you can see, you can preview the voiceover Adam.
Our distrust is very expensive.
As you can see, that is it. And now what you can do is you can select Adam by tapping on it, right there. Now we have selected Adam, and now we can just type anything we want. For example, subscribe to the channel and like the video, just like this, and then tap on generate speech, or just press shift enter to also generate speech.
Subscribe to the channel and like the video.
So that is the viral TikTok voice. If you want to download it, just tap on this little arrow right there, and you can preview it again.
Subscribe to the channel and like the video.
And then you can tap on this download button right there to download the voiceover to your device. So that is it. That is how you can get the viral TikTok voice within ElevenLabs. I hope this video was helpful. If this was the case, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.